Okay, okay. I got it mixed up. Okay. Yeah. So the portrait folder, the info folder portrait, that is for the battle pictures, in-game battle pictures, and go to menu, common, char best text, and then the stuff in there. These are for the results screen. These will show up on the results screen, which look exactly like the character selection ones. So yeah, copy that. Go to your copy that, and then go to your PF folder in your SD card, and then go to menu and make a folder called common. Make another folder called char underscore bust underscore tex, and then paste it in there, and then there you go. Shadow is pretty much completely in there. You've replaced everything except for, of course, the little tiny things that don't really matter. Here, I'll show you. Okay, you'll find these textures in here. These are the little tiny sprites that appear at the left corner whenever you're selecting the stage for the brawl battle whatever thing. I don't like. I've actually found it that you can go like they're in one of the shadow hacks. Right here, these are the sprites that people that they've actually made for that. But seriously, who cares? It's just a little sprite that you see when you're selecting the stage, and it tells you what characters you've selected. I don't think you really need them. They're nice. It's nice that they made those little sprite things, but those are nothing major. They're not. You can't. You don't even like look over there to see them. So I wouldn't care to have them. So yeah. Just pointing that out. Okay, so right here you see toy figure. This is Shadows. This is Donkey Kong's trophy, but it's changed to Shadows. Let me show you. Basically, they took the assist trophy of Shadow, and they made it the trophy for Donkey Kong, so that you can use it for whenever I guess you play classic mode and you beat the classic mode with Donkey Kong as Shadow though. Anyway, that's nice that they did that. So what you want to do then is just copy the toy folder that's in the hack. Go to your PF folder, paste it. Yes, you want to overwrite the folder. You are not messing up the folder. You are simply updating it. You are updating the folder. As long as you don't have another Donkey Kong hack for the trophy in there, then it's not overwriting anything. It's adding on to it. So there's the Shadow trophy on top of Donkey Kong's trophy, and voila! Now Shadow is completely over Donkey Kong's pictures and content. The only thing we have to worry about now is the sound effects, which we'll get to some other time. Last thing I want to go over in this video, the stages. Okay, so let's go back to Common 5 thingy. Let's open up our Common 5 file that we made, and say you want to like change the stage pictures. Okay, let's find them, shall we? Okay, they're not in there. Like, you got new stages, and you want the stage pictures to look different. You don't want them to look the same. You want to be able to know what stage is what that you have over what stage, because they're different now. Okay, so here's the little tiny pictures. What I like to do is I like to go into the stage I downloaded. It's a hack stage, and I take a picture of it with the Brawl picture taking thing, and then I put that picture in Photoshop. Make it smaller. Put it over that picture. Make sure it still has a. Make sure you just put it over the picture that's currently there, and put it in here. Now it's Pumpkin Hill. Now the picture is Pumpkin Hill, and so that whenever you're looking on your stage selection screen, you'll be like, oh, that's the one with Pumpkin Hill on it, and it looks cooler because it's not the same stage picture, and you're like, it's not like so yeah, whatever stages you've replaced, you could go in here and find a picture for that stage. Go into GIMP and put it over that export, save it somewhere. Oh, whenever you export these things, they'll have a .19 or some number. Backspace that out and then just save it as 8. Don't have a dot. If you have a dot something, the Windows will confuse it for a certain file format that doesn't exist because you put a dot at the end, at the beginning or whatever. So yeah, just backspace out anything that has a dot because that'll mess up the file. Anyway, so let's go find the bigger pictures, shall we? Here's the words, the words for the stages, like the names of them. Here's the little pictures for all of them. You can change those too, if you want. I don't really do that very often. I just like to change the words and the smaller pictures and the big pictures. Let's go find the big. Oh, and here's the little symbols from each game that they're from. That's cool. Okay, down here are the big pictures. So say we want to go back down here and put Pumpkin Hill over here. We would just take that bigger picture of the stage, take the picture of the stage that we have, and put it on Photoshop. Put it over that big picture. Make the new picture, and put it in there, because that's what I did. I exported the stage picture, put it in Photoshop. I put the picture that I took in the game. I put it on top of that picture, and made it the exact same size, and then I saved it, put it over there. It takes a while if you have a lot of stages that you are using, but it's not that hard to do. Just okay, now after you're done, you save it. And then, I don't want to save it. And then you put it in your system folder, and your stages will look different. They'll have different pictures now. This won't mess up anything. It'll just make stuff look different. It'll make it so it's more customizable looking. It'll be cool. Okay, so that's it for this video. Next time, I'll show you. I don't know. Okay, so I want you guys to vote on the next tutorial I should do. Do you want me to show you how to do sound effects replacing? Or do you want me to show you how to make it so that you can put any stage over any other stage? Show you how to do that. So vote in the comments, or if you want to know something else, something that's not replacing sound effects or not switching stages. If you want to know how to do something else, I put that in the comments too. Just tell me what else you want to see me tell you how to do, and I'll show you. I'm not gonna get into actually creating hacks. So if you're gonna request that, hold off on that. I'm not gonna get into that until I completely explain how to put all the different hacks in your SD card first. After I explain that, then I'll get into how to make hacks. So yeah, comment, and I'll see you later.